and welcome to my art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and these are my mannequins, my art fashion helpers. In this video, I'm gonna customize denim jacket. And it's been a while since I customized denim jacket, but I received custom order and customer said you can paint whatever you want. And now I have an opportunity to show you guys the example of cool customization, because cool customization is when you allow artist to express his creativity. So I'm gonna paint something which I love to paint the most, and if you watched my previous videos you know that I love to paint snakes. So I'm gonna create some beautiful design with snake, and I think that this jacket is gonna be amazing. So let's get started! So I will paint design on the back of the jacket, and on the front I will write something. And here is a very quick sketch I drew. The idea of my design is to paint snake and flowers. You know, most of the people afraid of snakes and most of the people adore flowers. So I think it's gonna be a very interesting combination. And I want to paint two big flowers in red and black colors, maybe peonies. And snake I want to paint in black and golden colors, so that the color scheme will be black, red and golden. And first I'm gonna paint flowers. So let's do it! I don't want to paint realistic flowers, and I don't want to paint them too detailed. I want to paint them more abstract. And I want to create a jacket with an idea, with some interesting composition, because most of the artists who paint on jackets, they paint mostly some image on the back and that's all. But I want to make something different, something interesting. So I want to create design which will be the part of the jacket, and jacket will be the part of the design. I hope you understand what I mean. I love how it turned out. Like, I wasn't sure in the result, but I love it. Wait, I will try it on now. What do you think? But of course, it's too simple for my creative soul. So I'm gonna paint snake now. Wait, everything is falling. Here I changed sketch a bit. This way I will paint snake, big snake in black and golden colors. So let's continue. So snake. It's not so hard actually to paint snake. You should learn how to paint its scales, and when you learn how to paint them, you learned how to paint snake. And I decided to don't put too much golden color, just a bit to make this snake shine, and also decided to put a bit silver color, so the snake will have beautiful silver golden shine. Guys, I got an idea. Look, 2 flowers, 1 snake. 1 snake, 2 flowers. So what if it will be 2 snakes, 2 flowers? And no, I don't want to paint one more snake. I want to paint one more head. So it will be 2-headed snake, and one head will move in this direction of this flower. And then this design will have an idea. What do you think? If it would be a live video, I would ask your opinion and then I would make a decision. But now I'm just gonna paint one more head, and then you can write in the comments below, was it a good idea or no? I moved to the table now because I'm gonna write quote here on the front of the jacket, and I'm gonna write quote in Latin because I think that Latin quote will make this jacket a bit mysterious. And I'm gonna write love conquers all, and then you will see the final result. In this video, guys, I try to show you all the creative process, and that is how I design clothes. I begin with sketch, and I always have doubts. I'm not sure how design will look on clothes, and then I start painting to figure it out, and then I add something in the process, or I change something in the process, and when I love the result, I'm so happy. This feeling is so amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and write me in the comments below, do you want to see more such videos? Not the DIY videos, but when I will paint something complicated on clothes for you to get inspired. And smash that like button to support my art and to support my channel, and if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel for more painting on clothes videos. And see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.